Welcome to the third video of this short series of videos about SmartDriveNMR. Now, in this third video, we are all set to do our first measurements with SmartDriveNMR. This is the day-to-day work of John, our routine NMR user. Here you can see a screenshot of IcanNMR. If John wants to do SmartDrive on holder number 6, populates the line, and the first thing that is special to SmartDrive, in contrast to a regular IcanNMR run, is the experiment that he needs to select. So he needs to select CMC proton, and then in the column analysis type, to run SmartDrive has to be selected. And in the column analysis settings, one can see all the default settings that have been set by Paula. Now John is capable of changing them if he likes. Of course, he can add the mole file if he wants, and I also highlighted here that he might want to change the time for a very dilute sample. Maybe he wants to sponsor more time for a measurement. But this is all that needs to be done concerning SmartDrive. Now submitting would start or put this job in the queue just like any other request for IcanNMR. If John does not want to do SmartDrive for a certain holder, this is also possible and shown here for holder number 9. Here John selected for the analysis type no analysis. This would mean it would just carry out a regular IcanNMR run for holder number 9. In contrast to holder number 6, here SmartDrive is carried out. In the next video, video number 4, we will have a look at our first results, like at the first results from our first measurements, and we can also inspect the progress of a SmartDrive run.